ADV, California. What is this, Tioga Lake or something? I bet that water is cold.
Tenaya Lake, caught between immense granite domes in clear Nevada skies. Referred to as the jewel of the high country.
There's people out in it. I bet that water's ice cold.
Named after Chief Tenaya, the last chief of the Yosemite Indians. The ice-cold snowmelt keeps this lake's natural level at 114 feet deep. ADV, California.
You want to know why it costs so much to live in California? This is why. There's people up there just hanging off those rocks. Holy crap. Oh, they gotta have something wrong with them. Boy, I sure hope they're tied off on something. Look at that beach. Come on. If you want to spend the day at the beach, this is the place to do it. Look at this. This is amazing. If you haven't been over Tioga Pass, let me tell you, you don't know until you know. Wow. Wow. This is incredible. Oh, these guys are going up. They got the ropes out and everything. Screw that. Boy, when I started on this road on Tioga Pass, I thought, yeah, it's not bad. But boy, once you get up here, this is unreal. Oh, there's even more of it. Look at this. I want to turn the camera off, let it cool down for a minute, but I can't. Look at the people there. Everybody you go by has got their cell phone hanging out the window trying to video it. This is awesome. Awesome. Nothing but huge white granite rock cliffs with forests all around them. Tioga Pass has been in the back of my mind for at least the last 5 years to go and ride it. I don't know why I waited so long. This is one you do again. It's not the windiest road. It's not the funnest road on a motorcycle. Lots of sweepers. It's not bad. Casual riding, but amazing views. This is Tuolumne Meadows. Look at this. Oh, there's even a little store up here. Lots of ice cream. Take a look at this. Wow. Look at that. We're at 9,000 feet right now. And look at these mountains towering above us. So I learned something pretty cool from that sign back there. Both of these mountains right up here are the inside of an old volcano. The red and dark colored rock is from lava that had erupted out of the volcano, and all the white rock around here is actually old lava that cooled when it was way below the surface, and over time all this just kept eroding away and it started exposing all this white rock. I had no idea why the rock is all white like that. Pretty cool. Here we go. Tioga Pass, ADV, California. This is absolutely beautiful up here. Moto Pass. Right now we're about 10 miles out of the town called Lee Vining. I don't really know the story behind that, but I think we'll find out when we get there. And also, we're not too awful far from Mono Lake. I've always wanted to check that out since I was a little kid. Always seemed real interesting to me. I want to thank you guys for watching the Tioga Pass ride. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like button, hit subscribe. If you rode Tioga Pass or driven it in a car, let me know about your story, what you know, down in the comments. Not sure why they're stopping people. Not a good sign. Hope it's not a sobriety checkpoint. Alright, have a good one. The park ranger. Boy, I can't ask to be any luckier. Apparently everybody's headed back to California. Yeah. Oh, that's the line they were talking about. That's the line right there. That sucks. Yeah, you want to avoid that line. Boy, I don't know what lake that is, but that's pretty. Look at this. Oh, this Tioga Pass just keeps on giving. Ocherta Obata? I don't know. Probably gonna need JP's help on this one. That dork on the road, he don't even try. Not even sure he really was an English teacher. Look at this! Are you kidding me? Oh, wow! Tioga Pass Resort. Looks like she's in the renovation phase. Ha! Camp in the Inyo National Forest. Boy, there is a ton of alpine lakes up here. Look at this. No, can't be. Convertible Mustang, what? Stand up so you can get a good view of it. Look at this. Look at this! Oh, wow! Boy, if you're one of those people that scoff at vacationing in California, I just don't think you know until you know. There's a reason why so many people want to be here. Convertible Mustang, what? Wow. I don't know how to edit this. I got no clue. Hopefully it trims up good. And it's not too long. But I got a feeling this is going to be like a 3-hour video. I have to get the popcorn out. This is crazy. I had no idea Tioga Pass was this good. Look at this. $8,000 feet. Mono Basin National Forest, Scenic area. I'm pretty sure that guy was riding a Harley with a mask on. Look at this. Is that Mono Lake? Well, I just pulled off to change my GoPro battery. This is Mono Lake. Wow, that's way bigger. Way bigger than it looks on a map. Let's pull in over here. Only buses over here. Let's take a look at the map. No way. No way!
Wait! What?
Yeah! Is that Jay Lacey?
Hey man.
Jamie! Oh, awesome!
How you doing?
Excellent!
Oh man, yeah, we just came from Portland, heading down to Vegas now.
I watch you guys all the time.
Hell yeah.
That's fucking
Yeah.
awesome.
I got it.
Randomly riding by or what?
I spent the weekend over by Sonora, took Sonora Pass. I was just coming over here to check it out, and I was like, man, that guy looks like Shane Research. I was like, oh, he's going to that Toyota. It can't be. And I looked over here and see the gold wings, and I was like, fuck yeah.
Jamie?
Jamie, yeah.
GoPro, you got channel? One of my favorite things ever, and I mean this even though now I'm saying it on camera, is randomly running into people at the in gas station parking lots around places where you ride motorcycle, where everyone comes to ride a motorcycle like this. So literally just walking out here, my man Jamie comes up after apparently climbing Starbucks Mountain on his freaking dad jeans mobile over here, the GS. I don't see a single coffee cup on it, man. Come on. No stickers on your bags? Come on, man. How will people know all the cool places you've been? What's your YouTube channel, man?
Adventure Glide.
Adventure Glide? That's what you call it? I like that. That's good. ADV Glide. I freaking love it, dude. Well, it's awesome running into you, man. Instagram?
Yeah.
I'll get a picture.
It really was. That's awesome. Run into Shade Tree Surgeon and Jay Lacey. Out here. Wow. How cool is that? Out in the middle of nowhere. Look at this ride getting better. Wow. Here in Lee Mining, definitely a lot more here than I thought there was. Oh, I don't even know where I'm going right now. Still a little starstruck. I'm not very many movie stars have I ran into, or TV stars, whatever, that shook me up like that. That's the Shade Tree Surgeon and Jay Lacey. Fuck yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! I can't believe this shit. What a ride! And we're here at Mono Lake. That's cool. This lake isn't quite as significant anymore. It's a long way from Florida. That made my day. I can't believe this. Oh, wow.